Elara, a cursed princess. Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Lyrica, there was a kind and beautiful princess named Elara. Lyrica was a realm filled with singing rivers, dancing trees, and talking animals. Everybody loved Princess Elara for her gentle heart and radiant smile. However, an envious sorceress named Morgana, who lived deep within the Whispering Woods, was overcome with jealousy of Elara's charm and kindness. One fateful evening, during the celebration of Princess Elara's 16th birthday, Morgana arrived at the royal ball under a guise. As she approached Elara, she whispered a spell and suddenly vanished into thin air. A hush fell across the room as Elara transformed into a frozen statue of shimmering ice, her heart locked away in a frosty prison. The kingdom of Lyrica was covered in a veil of despair and frost. The rivers stopped their songs, and the trees stood still in mourning. Hoping to save their beloved princess, Sir Gallant, the bravest knight in all the land, resolved to break the curse. Sir Gallant was not alone in his quest. He set off with Flicker, the fiery little dragon with scales that glowed like the sun, and Luna, a wise owl who could read ancient scrolls. Together, they ventured deep into the Whispering Woods, seeking the secret to break the spell. As they journeyed into the woods, they encountered enchanted riddles and tricky paths that twisted and turned. The friends worked together, helping one another with Flicker's blazing light, Luna's wise counsel, and Sir Gallant's brave heart. With each riddle they solved, a piece of their path became clearer. Finally, after many adventures, they reached the enchanted waterfall that hid Morgana's lair. Morgana, with her cunning eyes and wicked grin, challenged them. "To break the curse, you must bring spring to my heart," she cackled. Little did they know, the sorceress had lost all kindness and warmth over the years. Flicker, with his fiery breath, melted the ice that held Morgana's heart frozen, and Luna spoke words of friendship she found within her ancient scrolls. Sir Gallant presented Morgana with a small bouquet of the first blossoms of spring as a symbol of forgiveness and peace. Touched by their kindness and bravery, Morgana's heart thawed, and she agreed to lift the curse. With a wave of her hand and a whisper as soft as a breeze, Princess Elara's icy shell shattered, and she returned to life, more vibrant and joyful than ever. The land of Lyrica bloomed in colors once again. Rivers sang, trees danced, and Elara smiled amongst her people with the warmth of summer. Morgana, thankful for their kindness, vowed to use her magic for good. She became a guardian of the Whispering Woods, sharing the wisdom of her ways with travelers. And so, Sir Gallant, Flicker, and Luna were hailed as heroes, forever friends celebrated in countless tales across Lyrica. As for Princess Elara, she led her people with a heart full of love and a spirit unyielding, ensuring that kindness always prevailed over envy. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories.